In today's video, I would be showing you how to get a $100 free Forex trading capital that you can use to trade the Forex market. And if you fulfill the terms and conditions for withdrawing from this $100 no deposit bonus, profit withdrawals will be unlocked. Now for full disclosure, this $100 no deposit bonus is a combination of two $50 free Forex capital from two different brokers. And if you follow every single step I'm going to show you in this video, you have 99% chance of claiming this Forex no deposit bonus. There are no KYC requirements before claiming any of these bonuses, meaning you don't have to wait for weeks, months, or even years to be verified before getting any of this bonus and start trading with it. I've made research concerning the countries eligible for these bonuses, and it turns out that it is available to everyone from all over the world. All you need to claim this free Forex trading capital, trade with it, and withdraw from it is your smartphone, a very strong internet connection, and your full attention to this video. I'm going to talk about each of these brokers' terms and conditions for trading this account before profit withdrawals are unlocked. These terms may not be suitable for everyone, but it's good to know about them before even claiming the bonus campaign. So stay tuned until the end. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome to Smart Hustle Media. On this channel, I make thorough research for the best free Forex and crypto trading bonuses to claim and trade for free without any fear of losing our own capital in the Forex market, and also be able to withdraw from it without any complications. So if you're interested in trading the Forex market for free with no deposit bonuses, and also be able to withdraw unlimited amounts of profits made from these accounts, then hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to receive the latest updates from me on this channel. Also hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can get to a wider audience, including your mom, dad, and friends. And with all that said, guys, let's get started. The link to this broker will be on my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel using the link in the description box or pinned comments below. Now, first of all, you'd be asked to select an account type. Click this box with the text "Live" written on it, and you'll be redirected to this registration form. Now, when you scroll down, you can see that there are lots of personal information that are required to be completed on this first step. But before filling out any of these details, make sure that you select Individual Account from this option to create a personal account for you. After selecting Individual Account, type in your first name, middle name, and last name in the appropriate fields. For the country of residence, you can see that this broker supports registration from many countries in the world. So there are no country restrictions as of the time this video was made. Once you're done filling out all of these personal information that are required on this page, scroll down to the bottom of this form and click the Continue button. After clicking the Continue button, you would be taken to the second step of this registration, and all they require on this phase is your gender, date of birth, and some address information. After filling out all of these details, then you scroll down and click the Continue button below this page. After clicking the Continue button, you would be taken to the third step of this registration, and you need to pay attention to the trading account info options I would be selecting right here. So first of all, the wallet currency is USD, and then the platform type is MetaTrader 5. The account currency is also USD. For the trading account type, there are several types of accounts to choose from, but we would be leaving it at the default option. Now make sure to tick these little boxes to agree to their terms and conditions before clicking the Submit button below this page. Once your registration has been successful, you'll be redirected to their two-factor authentication page, and you'll also receive an email confirmation code to your email account. But before verifying our email address with this confirmation code, we first have to set up this two-factor authentication method before email verification is unlocked. So to get started, scroll to the top of this page and download the Google Authenticator app from the Google Play Store or the App Store by clicking any of these buttons right here. After signing in with your Google account, come back to this website and scroll down to the bottom of this page. You should see a very long code at the bottom of this page. Copy that long code and follow my instructions carefully. Now head over to the Google Authenticator app. At the bottom right corner of this application, you'll see a plus icon displayed right there. Click on that plus icon and you'll get two options to select which type of action you want to perform. Click on the first option right here and you'll be redirected to this page I'm currently on. Now this field that says Your Key is where you're to paste in that code you copied earlier from the website. On the account name field, you can type in whatever you like. This is just a name to identify the one-time password for this website whenever you want to log in. After doing all of these steps, click on the blue Add button and the one-time code generator for this website will be at the bottom of this page. Now head back to the website and click on the Continue button below this page. You would be asked to type in the 6-digit code generated in the two-factor authenticator app. At this point, open the two-factor authenticator and click to copy the 6-digit code generated. After copying the 6-digit code, come back to the website and paste it in this box. The Continue button becomes active immediately after pasting this code. Click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Now, the next step is to verify your email address. As you can see, guys, they say, an email with a verification code was sent to your registered email address. So at this point, you have to head over to your email account and search for a new email notification containing this verification code. Copy this one-time password and paste it in the boxes on this page. Once that is done, click on the Continue button at the bottom of this page to proceed to the next step. You would be taken to your client dashboard once your registration has been completed, and this is how the client dashboard of this broker looks like. And to get this $50 no deposit bonus, follow these steps. Now, first of all, click on the menu icon at the top left corner of this website. Once it expands, search for this competition button right here and click on it. Once it loads up, you can see that there's an ongoing challenge right here. And to join this contest, scroll down and click on Enter Competition. But before doing so, make sure to agree to their terms and conditions by ticking this little box right here. And then you click Enter Competition. Before we join this challenge, let's take a look at the terms and conditions by clicking this View Rules button right here. Now, as you can see, guys, these are the terms for trading on this account. And it states that no expert advisor or robot is allowed to be used on this account. Secondly, the lot size maximum is 0.10 per order placed on this account. Thirdly, the maximum number of open orders, both open and pending, is 5. Anything more than that, and you're out of the challenge. Fourthly, only Forex, metals, and index fund are allowed to be traded on this free Forex capital. And lastly, the minimum active trading days is 10 days. If you're satisfied with these rules, then you can click this Enter Competition button right here. After loading for a few seconds, you would be redirected to this next page, and all you have to do right now is scroll down to the bottom of this page and select the trading platform you would like to trade this account on. You can trade this account on the MetaTrader 4 or the MetaTrader 5 application. After selecting your trading platform, click the Submit button below this page. As you can see, guys, it says, your submission was successful, and I also received an email notification from this broker. Now, this email notification contains both the login ID and password for accessing the trading platform. But for now, I would click on the Go to Competitions button. Once you're on this page, you can see that the Enter Competition button is now deactivated because we've already joined this contest. To get access to your login credentials, head over to your Gmail account and open the email containing your trading account info. Now, this is where you'll find both your login ID, login password, trading server to connect to, and the type of account. If you don't know how to log in these details, follow me step by step as I show you how. First of all, launch the MetaTrader 5 application if you selected MetaTrader 5 during registration. After launching MetaTrader 5, click the settings icon right here and you'll be taken to the account management page. Now click on this Add New Account button that is displayed right here and you'll be taken to this search page. On the search bar, paste in the trading server that was sent to your email account. You'll get one search result, click on the search result, and you'll be redirected to this form. Paste the login ID and password in the appropriate field, and make sure the Save Password button is turned on to avoid repeating this process again. Once everything is done, click the Sign In button and wait for a few minutes for this trading app to process these credentials. As you can see, guys, my $50 free trading bonus capital has been credited, and I can start trading with this account. Now, I placed 2 positions on this account to prove to you that trades can be open and closed on this free Forex trading capital. As you can see, guys, they are all running with little profits. I got the bonus on a weekend and waited for the next week so that I can place trade on this account, just to prove it's 100% real and not a screenshot. Now, when you head back to this website's competition page and scroll down to the bottom of this page, you would see a leaderboard button right here. When you click on this leaderboard button and click on the View Prizes button displayed right here, you can see all the rewards that the winners of this contest will receive from the broker. Starting with a first prize of $3,000 for the first winner, a second prize of $2,000 for the second winner, a third prize of $1,000 for the third winner, a fourth prize of $500 for the fourth winner, and lastly a fifth prize of $250 for the fifth winner of this competition. First of all, you have to type an email address in this email field right here, then make sure the country detected right here is correct before clicking the register button below. After clicking the register button, you'll be taken to this next page to first of all type in your first name in this first field, and then your last name in the box below it. Once all that is done, you can click this trading platform drop-down menu to select either MetaTrader 5 or the MetaTrader 4 platform for trading. You can leave every other settings as it is, and then on the referral code area, type in the code displayed on your screen into this field. Cross-check and make sure everything is correct, then you click the register button below this page. An email validation link will be sent to your email account, so head over to your email account and search for a new message from this broker. If you don't find the new message on this page, click the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of this page. A menu like this one should slide out. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu and click on the spam button right here. The email confirmation link will be on your spam folder if you can't find it on your inbox folder. After opening this email, scroll down a little and you should see a green button that says Log in to Client Area. If you click on this button, it's not going to perform any action. So to solve this issue, click on this dotted line right here. You should get a menu like this one. Click on Report Not Spam button, and this message will be removed from the spam folder. Now, when you head back to the All Inboxes folder and open this email confirmation message, after clicking the green button that says Log in to Client Area, you will receive another email notification with your MetaTrader's login credentials, and you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. Once your account dashboard is done loading, we're going to proceed to the next step, which is to claim this bonus account. So to get started, scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on the Promotions and Bonuses button right here. You will be redirected to this next page, and you should see an Activate Bonus Code button like this one. Click on that button and you'll be redirected to this second screen. As you can see, they say enter bonus code to receive bonus from the company. So type in the bonus code that is displayed on your screen right now into this box, and then click the Activate button below it. After clicking the Activate button, you'll be taken to this next page and you'll be asked to create a new trading account on this page. Now just leave every other settings as it is and then scroll down to the bottom of this page and click this Open Real Account button right here. Once your no deposit bonus accounts has been created successfully, you'll receive 2 email notifications immediately. As you can see, the first email is just a notification that the $50 no deposit bonus has been credited successfully, while the second email is where the login credentials for your trading app will be sent to. Now, when you open the second email notification, you will not only find your login credentials for accessing the trading platform, you will also find other useful information about this real no deposit bonus account. You can also download the trading application from this same page by choosing your device operating system from here. And after downloading the trading platform, you can log in these credentials and start trading immediately. On the second email notification, you will also find some of the terms for trading this account on this page. For some of us that doesn't know how to log in these details and start trading, this is the steps to log into your trading account and start trading with this no deposit bonus. First of all, you download the MetaTrader 4 application and launch it immediately. Now, you should see a settings icon at this corner of the application. Click on that settings icon and you'll be redirected to this next screen. You should see a new account button on this page. Click on it, and on the next page, click on Log into an existing account. On the next screen, you should get a search bar at the top of this page. On the search bar, type Fresh Forex into this box and you'll get 2 search results. Choose the second option, Fresh Forex Real, below, and you'll be taken to the next page to paste those login credentials sent to your email account. So I've just pasted my login ID and login password in the appropriate fields. And before clicking the sign in button, make sure the Save Password button is activated so that you don't always have to repeat this process. Cross-check and make sure everything is correct, then click the sign in button at the top of this page. Once your authentication has been successful, you'll be redirected to the quotes section. Now, when you head over to the trade section, you can see that the $50 no deposit bonus has been credited to my trading account. So all that is left now is to start trading and growing this account to meet their terms for withdrawals. I'm going to place a trade right now to show you that this is not some fake screenshot. As you can see, guys, I've just placed my sell position on 𝗪𝗠𝑢𝑠D, and right now I'm in a little loss. So this is proof that your trades can be open and closed on this account using the $50 no deposit bonus. Now, to round up this video, I've just shown you how to claim this free Forex capital. I traded with this no deposit bonus to prove to you it's real, and also talked about the terms and conditions for withdrawing from it. And if you follow every single step that I just shared with you in this video, you have 95% chance of successfully getting this free Forex trading capital. The problem, though, is that sometimes these no deposit bonuses do expire after a certain certain period of time. So if you're watching this video after a few months of uploading it and this offer has ended, don't panic. I have a few but effective solutions to help solve this issue. The first solution is to check out the playlist that will pop up at this corner of the video. That way, you'll find other recent bonuses that are available to claim and start your trading journey for free, and of course be able to withdraw all profits made on these accounts without ever worrying about the risks attached to the Forex market. The second solution is to hit that subscribe button and activate the bell icon to stay updated whenever a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to also hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video gets to a wider audience, including your mom, dad, and friends. The final solution is to join our Telegram community using the link in the description box or pinned comment below. That way, you can get updates that was not uploaded to this channel directly from me. You can also chat with other members of the community whenever the group is open for questions. If you ever get confused or have any other questions, drop a comment below and I'll reply with a solution. Also, comment down below your country of residence, as it helps me search for the best free Forex capital that's available specifically for your country. And with all that being said and done, guys, I wish you all a fruitful and successful week. See you all on my next video. Peace.